In everything, give thanks, for this is the will of God in Christ Jesus concerning you and me. Okay, y'all, I am in here getting ready to prepare some food for ourselves for the day. Thomas and I are trying to take care of ourselves a little better. Not a little better, but a whole lot better. So, trying to make sure that I have some food to hold us throughout the day because we're going to end up dabbing into something we don't need to be dabbing into. So I'm going to share with you what I'm going to prepare, and some of it will go on maybe 2 to 3 days, and some things I'm going to put in the freezer. And first, let me start off by saying that I am so glad that you stopped by to see what I have to share with you today. So hold on, y'all. Let me get this stuff together. Okay, here we are. Here are some things that I am preparing. Some will be going in the freezer. Some I've already cut up and put in here, y'all. Y'all know that salad I shared with you. I think it was a short. Well, this is a part of that salad. I put more fruit in here. My husband don't care for as much, but I may take some out. But I wanted to have this prepared so when I get upstairs in my room, I won't have to, come back down or go into my goodie area where I have my little snacks that I don't need to be touching. So here are some cucumbers. These are English cucumbers, y'all. I had started getting these. I've been having some problems sometimes on and off with those regular cucumbers that we get. And I usually get them from Walmart. They're much greener than what they used to be. I don't know what they're doing to change them, to alter it, the way it looked. But I have started going to these. And I enjoy them. I do dice them so that I can have them for like my chicken salad, if I want to make a tuna salad or whatever. Instead of crackers, my Ritz, what I usually go to, these are my crackers. Here are some frozen strawberries, but I have just put some more in, cleaned them and everything. And I'm going to freeze these. I do have this that I'm prepping for a salad. I do have some avocados that I'm going to cut up. And you got to be careful with these. The best way to do it is when you cut them up and you're not going to eat them right away, to put them in some water, and that will keep them from browning. If y'all know a better way, let me know. This is something that we purchased from either Aldi. I think Aldi and Lidl sell them, and we also get it from Costco. I think I'm not sure, but I get it from different places, y'all. And this is the sweet kale salad. I'm going to show you what they have on the inside. This is the salad, and I opened it so you can see some of the things. This is what is inside of the salad: broccoli, green cabbage, kale, Brussels sprouts, and you give me them things by themselves, they may just be left on the plate. Pepitas, which are pumpkin seeds, and they have something else. Don't get me to lying, y'all. And cranberries. Red. I can't pronounce it, y'all. I'm not gonna hurt myself. But these two items, which is the dressing and the seeds and the cranberries and whatever, comes in a bag inside of here. And I just separate the craisins from the seeds because I do not need all those craisins. That's where a lot of the sugar comes from, and the dressing. I can make my own, but I'm not doing that. Maybe one day I will start making my own salad dressing, but for now, that is what I'm going to use, what's inside the bag. And these are the nutrition facts. So what I do is not use all of this. So they do have dates on here. I don't know what's on here. Let me see. And it tells you that it has poppy seeds in it. But I don't use all of this. I use some of it, and I do separate that from the seeds and put it inside of this. So I will show you at the end. Now I have put everything in there except the dressing. And this is how many craisins are in there. Now, this is a lot of sugar. They also have a lot of craisins in the apple salad at Wendy's. So when we get that from Wendy's, I will usually take out a lot of those craisins, and they are dried cranberries. And it is too much, and I don't want all of that in my salad if I'm trying to do better. And this is something I noticed that I usually see this in the Kava salads that we get as well. The part that I cut out of the cabbage, it looked like they just put it in the machine and just cut it all up. And sometimes it'd be hard, and you have to be careful that, you know, it doesn't break your teeth off. So, but this is almost complete. What I'm gonna put in, and I'm gonna put in the avocados, and we're gonna go from there, y'all. I have finished what I'm going to be putting on my salad for now. I'm going to put some chopped pecans in there. Usually it'd be like half and half pecans, but I usually break them up and put them inside of this salad. So you can see some of the goodness in here that we're going to enjoy. And I have my fruit at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. My fruit is at the bottom. Sometimes it might go over to 2 days, or we'll eat it like for breakfast. So yeah, we shall see, y'all. And this right here is I finished chopping up my cucumbers, which I'm going to put up. And these are usually my snack that I may eat throughout the day or whenever I want it, or at night when I'm feeling a little hungry and I'm should be asleep, but I'm up. Yeah, so, and here's the tool that I had purchased so that I can do my avocados. So I'll use a knife, or I will use this. And it's supposed to be another part in here which you can put, I guess you can puncture it with the avocado and to keep it into place, and while you do what you need to do with it, but it's not in there right now. But it is something nice to have. And then this helps me, it's like a dull knife, so I don't have to be scraping with a actual sharp knife to where it's scraping up something I don't want to eat. But yeah, so that is it, y'all. What are y'all doing to eat better, to do better, to live a healthy life? Thank you so much for stopping by to see what I had to share with you today, and I will catch y'all on another video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.